Different forms of equations of a straight line. Slope-intercept form. The first form is slope-intercept form. So what is this form? The equation of a straight line is usually written in this way. Which way? Like this way. Y equal to mx plus b. This is called the slope-intercept form. Slope, dear students, you have already studied, discussed in the first lecture. We have discussed it already. What is slope? Look at this. In y equal to mx plus b, slope or gradient. Here m is the slope or gradient and b is the value when x equal to 0. Look at the diagram. What does it stand for? Here, this is the value of m, that is how the line is steepness. This is the intersection along y-axis, which is the value of b when x is equal to 0. Y equal to how far up? It means that y, the value of y, upper value on by crossing the y-axis is called the way how far up, the value of y. X, how far along, that is how it is along negative axis or along positive x-axis. M is the slope or gradient. Both the names are we use for the m, slope or gradient. How steep the line is. B equal to value of y when x is equal to 0. How do you find m and b? B is easy. Just see where the line crosses the y-axis. The value of b is very easy. Look at the graph of a function where it crosses the y-axis. That will be the value of b when x is equal to 0. M is the slope. Needs some calculation. A slope formula have studied in the first lecture. You can calculate it easily. That is a slope equal to, denoted by m, equal to change in y divided by change in x. Look at this, is the red one is the change in x and the blue one is the change in y. When we divide this, is rise by run equal to slope of a line. Knowing this, we can work out the equation of a straight line easily. We can work out example number first. Look at the diagram. This is along x-axis, which is value is 1, and along y-axis value is 2. So what will be the equation here? M equal to change in y divided by change in x, which is equal to 2 by 1 equal to 2. So m, the value of m is 2. And look at this. This is when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 1. So it's the value of b equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Just by putting the values in the formula, y equal to x plus 1 is the required equation of straight line. The second one is a point slope equation of a line. That is, when the point and slope is given, what will be the equation of the line? The point slope form of the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Basically, this is the formula for the slope. You can calculate, you can prove this by the way by calculating the slope. The equation is useful when we know one point of the line x1 y1 and the slope of the line m. Look at this. This is one is the line having xy and x1 y1 is the point. Now if you want to calculate the slope of this line, then using the slope formula, m equal to change in y divided by change in x. What does it stand for? x1 y1 is known point, m is the slope of the line, xy is any other point on the line. Look at this, x1 y1 and xy both are the same points on different points on the same line. It is based on the slope. How? Look at this. Slope equal to change in y by change in x. So this is y1 minus y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. It is the value of m. Now by cross multiplication and simplification, we can prove the formula having slope, point slope form. Look at this, by cross multiplying this one it becomes so simple, you can solve easily. So it is just the slope formula in a different way. Example, look at this, 3 2 is a point on the line. Slope here, slope change in y divided by change in 3, and 3 2 is a point. Then by putting in the formula y minus y1 m into x minus x1, we know m and also know that x1 y1 3 2, and so we have this become, just putting the values in the above equation you will get the equation of straight line. That is perfectly good answer, but we can simply, it is little bit, if you can simplify this more it will be a better one. Y minus 2 equal to, just simplify the above function relation, you will get the equation in the simplest form. The third one is the 2 points form of the equation of a line. So what is the 2 point forms? The equation of a non-vertical line passing through 2 points a of x1 y1 and a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2 is given by, look at this, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1. This form is same as point slope form. By putting the value of the slope, calculating from these 2 points, we will get the proof of the equation. Example, to find the equation of the straight line which passes through the 2 points. Look at this, this is x1 y1 and this one is x2 y2. Putting these values in the above formula, we will get the equation of the straight line. We just substitute into the formula and rearrange, the various steps are given by this one. Look at this, we have just substitute the values, and after putting simplification you will get the equation of the line y equal to minus 1 over 2 x minus 3 by 2. The fourth one is 2 intercept form. What are 2 intercept form? The intercept form of the line is the equation of the line segment based on the intercepts with both axes. When a line, and look at this, the graph of the line, the red one is a line which intersect x-axis here at point A and y-axis here at point B. So we will just write x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line in 2 intercept form, where A and B are intercepts and they will be non-zero. A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept. A and B must be non-zero. Remember this one, that both are non-zero. The values of A and B can be obtained from the journal form equation by putting, if y equal to 0 then x becomes A, and if x is equal to 0 then y becomes B. So you can calculate. Example, a line has an x-intercept of 5 and y-intercept of, you find the equation so simple. Look at this, x-intercept is denoted by A and y-intercept is denoted by B. Just by putting the values we will get here A equal to 5, B equal to 3, so it becomes x by 5 plus y by 3 equal to 1. Straight line in normal form. The fifth one is the straight line in normal form. What is the normal form? The equation of the straight line upon which the length of the perpendicular from the origin is p, and this perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the x-axis is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, where alpha must be less or equal to 362 pi and greater than or equal to 0. The angle alpha must be less or equal to 360 and greater or equal to 0, and this is the equation of straight line in normal form. P is the, look at the diagram, this is in the diagram the origin, from the origin directed distance to the line, it is represented by P, and this one is the angle alpha. And if you want to calculate the equation of this line, the data will be given here, alpha will be given and length of P will be given only, and then by putting the values you will get the equation of straight line. Note, the equation of a straight line in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha p equal to p is called its normal form. In equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, the value of p is always positive. Remember this one, that the value of p must be positive because it represents the length, so length cannot be negative, and the alpha is already, we have already discussed this one. Example, find the equation of the straight line which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin and the perpendicular from the origin to the line makes an angle 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. This example is so simple here. Look at this, the distance is denoted by p and angle is denoted by alpha. Just p equal to 7 and alpha is equal to 45. Put in this equation, you will get the required desired result. Solution. We know that the equation of the straight line upon which the length of the perpendicular from the origin is p, and we have already discussed this one, that p and angle is represented by this one. Let x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. I have talked you that just putting the values here, p equal to 7, alpha equal to 45 degree. Therefore the equation of the straight line in normal form is cos 45 plus sin 40 y sin 40 equal to 7. Now look at this, cos 45 and sin 45 have the same value, which is 1 over under root 2. X dot 1 over under root 2 plus y dot 1 over under root 2 equal to 7. Now multiply by 1 over by 7 under root 2. This becomes x plus y equal to 7 under root 2, which is the required equation of the straight line. The sixth one, symmetric form of a line. What is symmetric form? This is the symmetric form of a line. Look at this, x minus x1 by sin theta equal to y minus y1 by cos theta. This is the symmetric form equation of straight line, where x1, y1 and theta will begin with theta is the inclination of the line. Now what is the inclination? Inclination is an angle which a line makes with the x-axis. Remember this. Find the equation of the straight line in symmetric form if it passes through p of 1, 2 and makes an angle of 45. What will be the equation? Look at this. Just putting the values in the above equation. Look at this. You can put the values in this equation by obtaining the result. X minus 1, x1 is 1, y1 is 2 and angle is 45. Again sin 45 equal to cos 45, because the graph of these two intersect at 45 degrees, so it becomes, by simplification you will get x minus 1 equal to y minus 2. By simplifying and arranging, you will get the desired result, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Assignment. Dear students, your assignment for your home is solve exercise 6.2 in your book. Questions are question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These questions are based on the topic today we discussed, so you should try these questions all parts.